I welcome all of you to the Share Gurukul. Last video we had discussed about trend lines. Trend lines are the building blocks to create chart patterns. Now assuming we connect two trend lines and we get a shape like triangle. Now what is important about chart patterns are these are one of the only tools in technical analysis where there are no assumptions. They are a true reflection of market movement. Now usually chart patterns get created when market is in a congestion mode, and that is especially true for triangles. In case of triangles, the market spends a lot of time in a congestion mode. That means it's neither going up nor coming down. It is in a limited range. There it will throw up a chart pattern. It could be triangle, it can be rectangle. There can be various other possibilities. It could even create a double top. It can create a triple top. It can create a double bottom. It can create a triple bottom. This is nutshell is the importance of chart patterns.